Andrew Anthony, and I am the voice of capital E, capital A, capital Sports. There is a swagger. Now I know you've got a lot to